Okay, so let's go play some bedwars. Okay, so we need to play solos. Let's go play some solos. Let's go play some solos, guys. Okay, so let's go. Woo! Let's go get some. Let's go get. Okay, let's go be so pro. Yo, but I'm not pro at solos. I'm bad at solos. I'm too nervous. I'm too nervous, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so okay, let's go. Woo. Okay. Woo. Oh, wait, what? Where's the? Oh. There's a orange team right there. No, there's no purple team there. Wait, what? Okay, there we go. What? We just die. What are you doing? Huh? What? Huh? What? Ah! Why I just fall? Oh my goodness, why I just fall? Sorry. Boom! What's up? Hey yo, how's you going? You camping, man? You camping, man? Like, oh, what's up? You get armor? Man? You get armor? Huh? Yo, there's no purple team in there. I knew it. There's no purple team because they are not spawning. I think they're. Oh my goodness, they just almost spawned. Yo, she have no ammo. Wee. Oh my goodness, who just captured your team? Who just captured? Huh? Okay, anak. Okay, let's go. Let's go get some Why just buy blocks? I just accidentally clicked that. Hey, stop. Boom, let's go. I accidentally. Oh, you have armor. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look. What the? Why I'm jumping? Okay, there he is. Oh! Okay, you want to invade, man? You want to invade? Okay, I will invade you. Oh my goodness, there's blocks in there, so. Hey! Stop it! Invaders? Are you kidding me? Stop that! Hey yo, I knew it. Hey yo, why are you bowling like that? You like bowlers. Boom. Woo! Woo! Yes! Boom, baby, let's go! Woo! Shade. There he is. Oh. Shit. There we go. And then some iron sword. Shit. Shit. Stop breaking my bed. Eh. What's up, boy? No, I just fall. What the? Let's go. You want to invade? Oh man! Bad luck. Killed by bull. What's up? Boom. Woo! Yes, it killed. Oh, boom. Oh, that's so close. That's so close to kill. Let's go, babies. Let's go. Woo. That's so close. Shades. Woo. That's so close. Woo. Where's my camera? Rage quit. Rage quit. Where's my camera? Rage quit. Rage quit. Rage quit. Hey yo, what the? Okay, there we go. Whew. Okay, so we need to go. Okay. Okay. So we need to play. Okay. I don't know what we will play. Let's go play Airplane 4. Well, what it says onto the logo? What it says, man? Wait, what is it? One last flight. Is that it? Is that it? Is that the right one? One last flight. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so let's go. I don't know. Is airplane 3 and then airplane 2 and then airplane 1? Maybe is on to 2012. Maybe 3 stories are in 2012, and then in 2022 is airplane 4 or 2021. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe they are in 2021. I don't know what. I have so many questions onto the 3 stories. I don't know, guys. I have so many questions onto these 3 stories. I don't know. I think they are in 2021. I'm so confused because in 2012 I'm not born yet, but I think I born. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm so confused. I have so many questions onto that. Okay, that's enough talk, so let's go play it. Okay, so let's go. Wakey, eggs and bacon. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today is the big day. Let me remind you. We are flying to the Rohamas getting down here. Okay. Why I'm onto the girls' room? I'm a boy. Are you kidding me? Look, I'm blue, but why I go onto the girls' room? Bruh. Okay, so that's my baggage. There is the baggage. There we go. There's my baggage, man. I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. We will go on to the trip. I don't know we can go on a trip. I really want to go on a trip. Oh man, where's my camera? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Why is maybe that's the end of the video because my camera is stuck. So bye guys. Bye.